Hi everyone. In this video, let's see about the important MCQs on minerals in India. The first one, in which one of the following minerals India leads in protection in the world? See, the answer is sheet mica. So, India is the world first producer of mica, and the state which contributes more mica is Andhra Pradesh, which gives about 93% of the total production. And the next are Rajasthan, Karnataka, and Tamil Nadu. Second one, the highest production and largest reservoirs of manganese ore lies in the state of. So it is lies in the state of Odisha. And the third one, with reference to the manganese management of minor minerals in India, consider the following statements. Sand is a minor mineral according to the prevailing law in the country. Second one, state governments have the power to grant mining lease of minor minerals, but the power regarding the formation of rules related to the grant of minor minerals lies with the central government. Third one, state government have the power to frame rules to prevent illegal mining of minor minerals. So here the statement 1 is correct. So sand is a minor mineral according to the law in our country. And second one, state government has the power to grant mining, and at the same time it also has the power to formulate the rules related to the grant of minor minerals. So it also lies with the state government. So here it is wrong. And third one, state governments have the power to frame rules in to prevent illegal mining of minor minerals. So this is correct. So the answer is option A. And the next one, which one among the following state produces highest amount of mica? So it is Andhra Pradesh. Fifth one, Kodarma in Jharkhand is the leading producer of. So it is the leading producer of mica. Sixth one, why is Himalayan region poor in mineral resources? So first one, Himalayan region is made up of crystalline rocks. Option B, displacement of rock strata has disturbed the arrangement of rocks and made it complex. Third one, the climatic conditions are not suitable for the exploration of minerals. Fourth one, the rugged terrain makes exploration of minerals difficult and costly. So here the answer is option C. Option B, displacement of rocks strata has disturbed the arrangement of rock and made it complex. And seventh one, most of the coals and the ferrous group of minerals in India occur in the peninsula south of Vidyas. The peninsular India once formed parts of supercontinent which included Australia, Antarctica, Africa, and South America. Here the answer is B only correct. So option B is the answer. Eighth one, consider the following pass. Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, and their minerals were given. So the question is, which of the following pass given above is correctly matched? So here Chhattisgarh principal gold producing state. So actually the principal gold producing states are Karnataka and then Andhra Pradesh. And so this is wrong. And the next one, Rajasthan, richest state in terms of availability and variety of minerals. So this is correct. Rajasthan has more availability of minerals. And third one, Madhya Pradesh, only diamond producing state. Yes, the Madhya Pradesh is the only diamond producing state in India as well as in Asia. So third one is correct. And the fourth one, Karnataka, the sole producers of tin concentrate. So it is the sole producer of gold concentrates. So the answer is D. 2 and 3 only correct. And the ninth one, Match list 1 with list 2. List 1 Gondwana coal, lignite, mineral oil, bauxite, and list 2 Neyveli, Logardaga, Talcher, Kalal. So here Gondwana it is Talcher, and lignite it is in Neyveli, mineral oil it is in Kalal, bauxite, Logardaga. So the answer is option D, 3142. And the next one is, which of the following is the reason behind Gujarat being the leading producer of salt in India? So they are given 3 points. The long length of coastline. Yes, Gujarat is having the longest length of coastline in India. And the second one, long duration of hot and dry condition. Third one, presence of Gulf areas. So here the 3 options are correct. So due to these 3, it becomes the leading producer of salt in India. So the answer is option A. 11th one, Dalmia Nagar of Bihar is famous for. So it is famous for cement. 12th one, the 2 states of India most richly endowed with iron ores are. So that is Jharkhand and Odisha, option C. 13th one, which is chiefly found at Zaria in Jharkhand. So that is coal. And 14th one, the world's largest deposit of thorium in India is. So it is in Kerala. And the country which has largest deposit of thorium is Australia. Fifteenth one, match list with list 2. List 1, coal, copper, manganese and lignite. And list 2, Girit, Jayamkondan, Alwar and Darwar. So here coal it is Girit, and then copper it is Alwar, manganese it is Darwar, and lignite it is Jayamkondan. So the answer is option C. And the next one, Mumbai High is associated with. So the Mumbai High is associated with petroleum. And then the first oil refinery in India was set up at. So it is set up at Digboi. 18th one, which of the following pass are incurrently matched? So that is Tawa, Gujarat. And the next one, which of the following iron ores is mined at Bailadila? So that is hematite. And then the ore of aluminium is. So the ore of aluminium is bauxite. And then which one among the following places is not an iron ore mining area? So that is Zawar. The main center of copper industry is in. So it is in Khetri. Which one among the following states is the leading producer of salt in India? That is Gujarat. And then the beach sands of Kerala are rich in. So these are rich in thorium. And then in India, the steel production industry record the important import of. So that is coking coal. Which of the following is the largest producer of gypsum? So that is Rajasthan. And the next one is, which of the following mineral ore deposit occurs at Dandakaranya region? So that is bauxite. And then the 28th one, which of the following state of India is the main producer of chromite? So that is Odisha. It produces about 100% of the chromite. 29. Among the following, which are major iron ore producing states? So that is option B. Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Goa and Karnataka. So iron ores are produced in these states. So Chhattisgarh produces about 17%, Jharkhand about 11%, Karnataka about 14%, and so on. And 30th one, which of the following element is found in Balkat mines of Madhya Pradesh? So that is copper. And 31st, with reference to the occurrence of minerals in India, consider the following statement. So the first one is silver is a mineral of primary origin occurring in acid igneous rock. And the second one, bauxite is a secondary mineral mainly associated with laterite rocks formed during tertiary period. So here, which of the statement given above is correct? So the answer is option C, both 1 and 2 are correct. 32nd, in which of the following places are deposit wolfram found? So it is found in Chendipathar and Dengana. So option B is the right answer. 33rd, match the suitable pair. Mica, bauxite, manganese, lignite used in aluminium industry, thermal power, electrical industry and steel alloys. So mica, it is used in electrical industry, and then bauxite, it is used in aluminium industry, manganese, it is used in steel industry, and then lignite, it is used in thermal power. So the answer is 3142, option A. And 34th, consider the following pairs. Amarkant area bauxite deposits, Barbil-Koira Valley hematite deposits, Salem district magnesite deposit. So here which are correctly matched? So here these three are correctly matched. So the answer is option D. And 35th, match list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer using the codes given below. So list 1, Makam, Delhi Rajara, Koraput, Chitradang. So list 2, iron ore, coal, manganese and bauxite. So here Makam is the center of coal, Daliraga is the center of iron ore, Gorakhpur it is the center of bauxite, Chitradang is the center of manganese. So the answer is option B, 2143. And 36th, match list 1 with list 2. So mica, diamond, manganese, copper, Chhindwara, Bellary, Pana, Haziribagh. So here mica, Hazaribagh, diamond, Pana, manganese, Bellary, copper, Chhindwara. So the answer is option C, 4321. And 37, which of the following is mined in Badampahar mines of Odisha, that is hematite. And then 38th one, match list 1 with list 2. Basic inhospitable resources, that is solar energy, conventional non-renewable resource, that is coal, non-conventional renewable source, that is hydropower, non-conventional non-renewable, that is natural gas. So the answer is 3214, that is option A. And then 39th one, match list 1 with list 2. Manganese, so it is Odisha, and then gypsum, Rajasthan, limestone, Karnataka, magnesite, that is Uttarakhand. So the answer is 4312, option D. 40th one, Tumalapalli in Andhra Pradesh has come on the world map for the discovery of. So for the discovery of largest uranium mines. And then 41. What is Jadugunda known for? So it is known for uranium deposits. So it is in Singhbhum, Bihar. And then 42nd. Uranium found in Ladakh is an example of. So it is an example of potential resource, so which is not in use now. And then Korba field is in. So it is in Chhattisgarh. 44. Rajasthan is almost a sole producer of which of the following minerals? So lead and zinc ore, and then copper ore not, wollastonite and selenite. So the answer is option D, ACD. 45. Khetri belt of Rajasthan state is famous for. So it is famous for copper mining. And then 46th. Bombay High was funded in. So it was funded in 1974, 1973. So the answer is option A. 47. Haldia refinery is located in. So it is located in West Bengal. 48. Simsha hydroelectric station is located in Karnataka. 49. Which state is the largest producer of mica in India? So that is Andhra Pradesh. Option A. And 50th one. Which of the following is not an ore of iron? So that is cuprite. And then Bokaro coal fields are in. So these are in Jharkhand. As per studies, the Tumnapala mine in Andhra Pradesh could have uranium reserve of about 1.5 lakh tons. 53. Which one of the following is known as Pearl City? So that is Tuticorin. 54. Madhya Pradesh is the largest producer of pulses. And then 55. Which among the following the major iron ore producing states? So these are option B, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Odisha, Goa and Karnataka. And then 56th. Malanjkhand in Madhya Pradesh is the leading producer of which one of the following minerals? So that is copper ore. And then Koraput has rich deposit of bauxite. And then match list 1 with list 2. Gypsum, so that is Rajasthan. Graphite, that is Andhra Pradesh. Fluorspar, that is Gujarat. Nickel, Odisha. So here 4, 3, 2, 1. So the answer is option C. And then which of the following statement about the magnetite ore of iron is correct? So it is known as black ore, it is correct. It contains 60 to 70% of the pure iron, that is correct. It possesses magnetic property, so correct. So here the correct option is option D, 1, 2 and 3. And then 60th one, match list 1 with list 2. So Lakwa, it is petroleum. And then Malanjkhand, that is copper. So it is in Madhya Pradesh. Sorry, copper. And then Kalakot, so it is coal. And then Zawar, it is for zinc. EZ. Okay. So the answer is option C, 2, 1, 4, 3. 61. What is Kent tree in Rajasthan famous for? So it is famous for copper mines. 62. Anantapur district in Andhra Pradesh is famous for. So it is famous for gold. 63rd. The resources which can be used continuously year after year are called. So these are called renewable resources. So the answer is option D. These are the MCQs in the Lucent's book. So we have discussed all the MCQs on minerals in India. And thank you for watching.